Hello everybody, my name is Jennifer Willis. This video is about our transition to using EHR. I know there's been a lot of resistance from employees. Change is never easy. Going from paper healthcare records to electronic healthcare records is a big change. So I know it could be scary to some. I know a lot of people are stressed about how they're going to get the training. What if we switch and they're not trained in time? What if they still don't know how to use it and they have a patient? Well, let me assure you, you will have plenty of training. We're not going to transition for at least another 3 weeks. So you guys have 3 weeks to get trained. And then when you start using it, you will also get training as well. We'll have people on site training people or having any issues with it. I know change is never easy, but I'm going to do my best to explain why this change is for the better and how we're going to have a smooth transition. For those of you that don't know, EHR stands for Electronic Healthcare Records. Basically, everything is going to be electronically. You're going to be able to input labs, medication, triage patients, have clinical data that's related to that person under their chart. There'll be vital signs, past history, immunizations, radiology reports. Some examples on how EHR can improve patient care is to reduce any other errors. Sometimes when things are written, there's a lot more errors than something that's typed. It makes healthcare information more available to anybody in the hospital, sometimes maybe outside the hospital. It reduces medical errors by improving accuracy and clarity on patient medical records. There's a lot of security on the medical records as well. So in order to do this transition, I know it's a lot, but we are going to have training, online training, hands-on training. We will be having classes, so you guys just have to get with your supervisor to pick an appropriate time, so not all of you are gone at once. So you guys could go to the EHR training that we'll be holding 3 times a day, every day at the hospital. Thank you.